This is Richard, and today he'll show us how to solve a quadratic equation. You can see the interactive whiteboard at the center, or you can draw graphics at any given moment. As an example, Richard has drawn a triangle and a square by using the instruments on the left. He then asks Bobby to draw another square. Not only are the graphics visible in real time, Richard and his students can both hear and see each other. Since their task is to solve a quadratic equation, Richard has uploaded study material with the specifics of the task. In order to solve the quadratic equation, they'll use the instruments from the toolbar to underline critical elements for solving the task. For example, to exceed the discriminant, you first need the indexes. Richard chooses the color blue in order to underline a sentence. For the class to be more interactive and interesting, he'll be using the electronic notebook's potential in the whiteboard, where an equation has already been prepared. The electronic notebook allows you to change any of the indexes of the whole equation. For example, in order to find the discriminant in this equation, Richard can directly type on this line in the electronic notebook: b to the power of 2, where b equals 5, the index in front of x to be the power of 1 minus b to the power of 2 is 25. Then we add 4 times ac, and 4 multiplied by a, which is minus 10, multiplied by c, which is 5, equals 225. With the formula below, we can easily find x1 and x2. Again, by replacing indexes. As we said, b equals 5. Square root of 225 is 25. All of this is then divided by 2 times a. A equals minus 10. Thanks to the electronic notebook, Richard and his pupils can solve equations fast and easy without having to draw equations with the mouse, which, as we know, takes time. Thanks to such interactive and innovative approaches, education becomes easier and more interesting.